You are going to love the 2008 Mariner. Room for 5 passengers, tight responsive handling, 6 standard airbags, and savvy functionality are all part of the stylish and powerful Mariner. Mariner's electric power steering is powered by an electric motor, improving steering feel at low speeds, providing precise steering on the highway and helping improve fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, fog lights, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.